You may significantly improve your general health and well-being by increasing the amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet. To ensure a balanced intake of nutrients, it is important to include a mix of fruits and vegetables. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. A healthy diet should include fruits and vegetables since they include vital nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. However, a lot of people find it challenging to consume enough of these foods on a regular basis. There are numerous easy ways to increase the amount of fruits and veggies you eat, including prepping them ahead of time, experimenting with new recipes, and include them in every meal. Getting your fruits and veggies ready in advance. It might be easier to include fruits and vegetables into meals throughout the day if they have been prepared in advance. This may involve cleaning and slicing them, putting them in handy containers, or even freezing them for later use. When you're searching for a fast and nutritious snack, it might be simpler to reach for them if you have chopped fruits and veggies in advance. Putting fresh produce at the forefront of every meal. Making fruits and veggies the star of every meal is one of the easiest strategies to include more of them in your diet. This could involve serving a salad as the main dish for lunch or preparing veggies on the grill for the evening meal. It can be easier to make sure you eat enough fruits and vegetables throughout the day if you make fruits and vegetables the center of each meal. Trying out fresh recipes using fruits and veggies. A fun method to increase the amount of fruits and veggies in your diet is to experiment with different recipes that include these. This can apply to foods like soups, stir-fries, or roasted veggies. Aside from keeping mealtime interesting, experimenting with different dishes can help reduce boredom from eating the same things every day. Always having a variety of fruits and veggies in your kitchen. It can be simpler to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in meals and snacks if you keep them on hand. This could involve keeping fresh produce in the refrigerator, such as berries, lettuce, and carrots, or freezing fruits and vegetables for smoothies or stir-fries. Juices and smoothies as part of a healthy diet. Juices and smoothies are excellent ways to increase your intake of fruits and veggies. They can be a quick and enjoyable way to eat a serving of fruits and vegetables while on the go and can be made with a number of ingredients, including spinach, kale, carrots, and berries. In conclusion, increasing your consumption of fruits and vegetables is an important step toward general health and fitness. It can be simpler to make sure you're getting enough of these necessary items in your daily diet by cooking them ahead of time, making them the focus of each meal, exploring new recipes, keeping a range of options on hand, and adding smoothies and juices. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.